Welcome to 1439 Emerald Bay Drive. Today I'm here in the golf course community of Emerald Bay West, and I wanted to give you a full video tour of our new listing that we have. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's almost 2,000 square feet. It has an in-ground swimming pool, and it is just the perfect investment opportunity for somebody who's wanting to get in this neighborhood. So coming in, we can see directly into the pool area. We have some cascading sliders that slide back. Great for entertaining to open up this space. We have a formal dining over here on the right-hand side. Very spacious. You could definitely get an 8-top over here in this formal dining space. Crown molding throughout this home, and the open split floor plan as well. So very nice sized kitchen. We have granite countertops and backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and just a ton of workspace in here in this kitchen. As you can see, the large breakfast nook over here has views of the pool. Very spacious breakfast nook over here as well, with the second set of sliders that opens up to the pool area. And a nice sized pantry. First, I'll take you out to see the pool area. So we have a covered lanai, and it is a screened-in pool as well, with a jacuzzi. And there's actually access to a full pool bath over here on the right-hand side, and I will show you how that connects once we're inside the home. We have a fully fenced backyard, and again, this is located in a golf course community, so if you're an avid golf player, this might be something that you'd really want to consider. You could definitely make this home your own. All right, I'm going to take you over into the master suite over here. Very spacious master suite. Plenty of room for a king-size bed and probably even a sitting area. As you can see from the master suite here, we have views of the pool as well. The master bathroom has a walk-in closet, which is a very nice size. It has a water closet as well, over here on the right-hand side. Very spacious closet. Lots of storage space. We have a linen closet, a nice size walk-in shower, and a large soaking tub in here as well. We also have a very large double vanity in this bathroom. It's a very nice size master bath. On the opposite side of the house over here, we have the garage entrance, laundry room, additional hall closet, utility sink in the laundry room. Always a nice bonus feature to have. And the first bedroom over here, there are no lamps in here, so it's a little bit dark. Very nice size. We have double doors opening off the main living space in this bedroom. The second bedroom on the back side of the house. And into the second full bath. You can see we have a linen closet in the hall. And shower tub combo back here. And this is the entrance to the pool bath that I was telling you about as well. Coming back out to the pool area. So again, this is a great investment opportunity here if you want to be in the area of Emerald Bay in Destin, Florida. Great location, golf course community, and minutes to the beautiful sandy beaches here on the Gulf Coast.